Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thank you for joining me on this lovely but very hot Saturday morning. This week I am featuring the Hippest Hippos stamp set and Hippo dies from our summer celebration brochure. These are free with $50 order each, or with a $100 order you can get both of these adorable sets for free. These go with, not just the hippo dies, but there's so many cute extra dies. They go with a lot of different things in our annual catalog as well. Before we get started, make sure to check in the description box below and sign up to receive future notifications when I send out a video. I have an awesome video coming on Monday using the Hippest Hippos bundle here. And we're going to be making a slider card, so you won't want to miss out on that. Okay, let's get started. And I also want to remind you that if you join my team during celebration, you're going to get an awesome starter kit. You get to pick out $125 worth of product for only $99, and then you're going to get a great whole planner kit. It comes with notebooks, planner pages for 18 months, a beautiful planner. I'll try to show that to you on Monday. I don't have it up here right now. Oh, I do. Hold on one second. All right, let me show you the planner. Isn't that pretty? I love it. It's got the little Stampin' Up! Logo here. It has a magnetic closure. I just like to do that. And then inside we've got places for cards. We have, it comes with 4 sticker sheets. I only have 6 months worth of pages in here. And then we have all kinds of each week. So there's weekly goals and notes. And then in the back there's a notebook, and it comes with 3 more notebooks. So a notebook for every 6 months. It's just, and then it comes with a stamp set. Here's the stamp set called Making Plans, which could also be used on cards or to make notebooks for people, all different kinds of things. All different kinds of things. It's not the best grammar. I apologize for that today. I haven't talked to anybody yet this morning. Okay, so let's get started with our project. So today we're using our very basic white note cards and envelopes. I love these because they're already pre-cut, pre-scored, pre-matched to fit the envelopes that go with it. And then I'm using the Hues of Happiness paper this week, pairing it with our hippo dies. So I'm going to use this super cute navy background with the little teeny tiny flowers. All right, so we're going to just adhere this to the front. So our note cards are 3.5 by 5, and I just cut my designer paper to 3 3/8 by 4 7/8. So I'm just having a very thin border all the way around, which kind of helps that paper to pop a little bit. All right, now I've used rectangle dies to cut out a piece of basic white, and all the measurements will be on my blog. The link is below. Okay, and I've cut a piece of fresh freesia to go behind that. And we're going to use the you really are the best. And this is going to be a sweet little thank you card. These are actually the smallest sizes that you can send in the mail. Okay, so I've already stamped this little hippo with the flower with Memento ink, and then I die cut it just to save us a little bit of time. So we're going to do some quick coloring, taking my light smoky slate. We're going to color our hippopotamus face. I looked up a hippopotamus to see what the colors were, the best colors. And they're actually all kind of one color. In fact, the face is almost a little darker than the rest of it, but we are just gonna go with the lighter. Okay, I think I'm gonna do the little nails light gray too. They'd be cute painted pink though. All right, so we're gonna use the dark smoky slate. I feel like I might have called this base a gray. We're using the smoky slate blends. So I'm using the dark for the main body and the light for the tummy and nose area. All right. With some coloring, we can do a little bit of extra kind of shading if we want. All right, let's do up here. I can't talk and color at the same time because then I'll make a mistake. It's like talking and walking. I can do that normally, not always. Sometimes I struggle. All right, let's do, we're kind of doing the Fresh Freesia theme this week. And I think I had some Granny Apple Green for our leaf, just something a little brighter. Okay, let's grab some of our Fresh Freesia ribbon. I love this ribbon because it's sheer, so it's not like a real heavy ribbon. I'm gonna tie a bow, and I don't worry about where I'm tying my bow because I can move it after it's tied. My goal is just to get it tied and tied tightly if I can. If not, we can fix it, but try to get a good bow tied. All right, now we can just I tend to bend it a little bit and then scooch it down. Okay, let's trim it off. Oh, there we go. And we can kind of play with it a little bit. All right, cute. Okay, we're gonna pop this up on the front of our card. And you look in the back, you can kind of see if you've got your ribbon straight. All right. I can hear, I don't know if you can hear, the neighbors are mowing their lawn right outside my window. So it's a little bit loud. Okay, let's pop up our adorable little hippo. I'm just using 2 minis, putting them on the top and the bottom because I want it on the paper, not on the ribbon. Cute. All right, we're gonna grab a couple iridescent rhinestones. These are my favorite thing. I love these. Okay, we'll put one kind of down here. That's the large. We'll put a medium and a small up here. I love these because they kind of pick up the colors and they already have a little bit of kind of that light purple look. Isn't that cute? Let's do, let's see if I have a Wink of Stella up here. I think most of my Wink of Stella are in projects for my Christmas event on next Saturday. Okay. Add a little Wink of Stella right there on the flower just because. Isn't that cute? All right, I think that's it for today. Please check back on Monday. I have a great slider card I'm going to share with you, and looking forward to see you then. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.